Where are you going? Who knows? It's a mystery.
Dingo!
Be a part of tomorrow and bring your history. You're living and you're learning every single day, and the world is turning. So turn it your way. Say it. New places. Walk that road. New faces. Talk. Sesame English. Say it with me. Say it. Say it. Say it now. Oh, yeah. Say it with me. Show you how. Gonna show you how. Say it with me. Sesame English. Say it now.
Sesame English!
It's Sesame English. Hi, I'm making vegetable soup. My mother gave me the recipe. Yeah, I've got everything I need. An onion. Yep. And a tomato. And carrots. Yeah. And broccoli. Oh, broccoli, such fun to eat. Broccoli, a joyful treat. Broccoli, it makes my heart go thump. Delicious and nutritious and a beautiful green clump. It's broccoli that I adore. Broccoli forevermore. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Really love my broccoli. Broccoli, fun to eat. Broccoli, what a treat. Yeah, broccoli, heart thumps. Oh, beautiful green clumps. Broccoli, I adore. Broccoli, forevermore. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Really love my broccoli. You're just the best. So well to eat and to digest. I really love my broccoli. Yeah, broccoli. And now, pepper. I'm adding pepper to make the food spicy. One way to say spicy is to use the word hot. Hot. I love hot food. Yeah, I love hot food. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Spicy. Spicy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I love hot food. Now I'll turn off the stove and take a little taste. Yeah, it's good. Spicy! Too spicy! I need water! 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 No water! The plumber! Please, give me some water!
Sorry, no water.
No water?
The pipe is broken. Food. Onions, tomatoes, carrots, broccoli.
She's the plumber, and she says the pipes are broken. That means there's no water. But no water.
No water.
But. I want a drink of water because I'm very thirsty. I'm eating spicy food and I am in the mood for a drink of water. Water! I want a drink of water. Water! Because I'm very thirsty. Thirsty! Oh, what I ate was hot. Oh, what a thirst I've got for a drink of water. Please, please give me some water. There's no water? Oh, no water! Please, please, I'm very thirsty. There's no water? No water. Oh. I want to drink a glass of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe more. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Water's what I'm thirsty for. I want to drink some water. Oh, I want a drink of water. Because I'm very thirsty. I'm eating spicy food and I am in the mood for a drink of water. Oh, I'm so thirsty. A drink of water.
Water. Water. I'm thirsty. Cold water. Excuse me. Water.
Oh, no water?
Sorry.
An orange. I've got it. We have orange juice. Orange juice.
Orange juice. Orange ices. Orange slices. Orange. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Good, yeah.
Tingo! Oh, Tingo's making vegetable soup! Oh, good, I'm hungry. Onions, tomatoes, carrots, broccoli. Pepper to make it hot. I like hot food. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. Okay. Oh, that's hot! 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 Water! 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 I need water!
Hi, I'm the plumber.
Water! Water. Sorry, no water.
No water.
No, I'm fixing the pipes. Looks good.
Water.
An orange juice.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Water. Ah. Water. Ah. Water. Yay!
Orange juice. No orange juice. Oh. No orange juice. Tingo, there's no water.
I know, Nikki, there's no water.
And there's no orange juice either.
Oh, sorry.
I'm so thirsty.
Me too.
How can we get some water?
Oh, how can we get some water? How can we get some water? Oh, water.
Me again.
Water. How can we get some water?
Like this.
Water.
Onions. Tomatoes. Carrots. Broccoli. I'm hungry.
It looks good, but I like pepper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's eat.
I want a drink of water because I'm very thirsty. I'm eating spicy food and I am in the mood for a drink of water. Water! I want a drink of water. Water! Because I'm very thirsty. Oh, what I ate was hot. Oh, what a thirst I've got for a drink of water.
Where are you going? Who knows? It's a mystery.
Dingo!
Be a part of tomorrow and bring your history. You're living and you're learning every single day, and the world is turning. So turn it your way. Say it. New places.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm wide awake, I can't sleep. Oh no, not again.
What do you think? Do you like it?
I like it.
I like it too. I'm sorry, Nikki. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No, I don't like it.
Oh, that's okay. Let's try it a different way.
Yeah, good idea.
Let's see.
Different way, definitely. Change that right there. That's great.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
You want
Here?
Sure.
Yes, I got it all half price, 2 for 1.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, we have bananas, milk, eggs, orange juice, apples, cereal, flour. Yeah. Oh, hi! Doesn't the band sound great? Yeah, they're working so hard that I wanted to make them a special Tingo snack today. Yeah, baby. But, the only problem is, I'm not sure what it should be. Apples, orange juice, and cereal? No. Okay, eggs, milk, and bananas? Yes. No, I don't think so.
Greetings. It is I, the Count, and you're just in time to count some apples with me. Here we go. 1 apple. 2 apples. 3 apples. Yes, 3 apples. I love it. Isn't that fun? Wait. This doesn't look like 3 apples. We'd better count again. 1 apple. 2 apples. Yes, 2 apples. Oh, isn't that... Wait. This is not 2 apples. Wait, let me count this. You count with me. 1 apple. 1 apple. Yes. Cookie Monster.
Oh, Count.
Oh, no, you've eaten the apples. Now I have nothing left to count.
Apples so delicious, me sorry.
But I love to count apples.
Oh, come, me sorry, me love to eat apples.
Oh, I have nothing left to count.
Oh, come, me so sorry. Wait, got me fix. Here, this you count. And this you count. And this you count, huh?
Wonderful. Here we go. You count with us, please. 1, 2, 3. 3 apple cores.
Okay, guys, let's try it this way. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, no! Oh, no! I'm wide awake! I can't sleep! Oh, no! Not again!
Well, what do you think?
I really like it.
Great. I do too.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
Guys, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No, I don't like it. Sorry.
That's okay, Sam. We can try something else.
Yeah, okay.
Here?
A little bit more of a syncopated beat. Yeah.
Sure.
I was
Okay.
a good voice,
That's a
too.
great idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did.
Or eggs with bananas. Oh, and flour. No, I don't like that at all. Ah!
Hey!
I really like it.
I like it too.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't like it.
Oh.
Yeah, she doesn't like it.
Okay.
Okay, well.
Let's try something else.
Drawing board. Move that over there.
Yeah, maybe we'll just change the.
Or eggs with cereal and orange juice. Yeah. No. Oh, okay. Let's see.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? I'd love to. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. I am glad you sang with me. You're lucky, Mort. All I got in my lunchbox is peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very much. I like it too. It sounds great.
Yeah, really great. I like it. Nikki.
Huh?
What do you think?
Oh, well,
You don't like it?
no. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't like it. Let's try again?
Again. Here we go.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry,
that
guys.
thing. Yeah.
Sorry. Here.
Omit that.
Okay.
Bam! Skibba-dibba-dibba-doo-bop-bow. Dibba-dibba-dibba-dibba-skidaboo-dabba. Yeah. Well, I figured out what to make for Nikki and the band. Apple banana cake. Yeah. I like this. Yeah, baby.
A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, guys, come over here.
What is it, Tingo?
A snack for you and the band.
That is so nice of you, Tingo.
Thanks, Tingo.
You're welcome.
What is it, Tingo?
It's apple banana cake.
Okay.
Yeah. So, do you like it?
I like it.
Oh, good.
I like it a lot.
Thanks, Tom.
This is great.
Yeah.
I like it.
I like it too.
Aw.
Finally, something we all like.
Thank you, Tingo. It's so good.
Yeah. They like it. They really like it. Ooh, you know, I do like it.
Not again. I'm wide awake. I can't sleep. Oh no, not again. Not again. Not again. Oh no, not again.
history. You're living and you're learning every single day. And the world is turning, so turn it your way. Say it. New places. Walk that walk. Walk that walk. New faces. Talk that talk. Sesame English. Say it with me. Say it. Say it. Say it now. Oh, yeah. Say it with me. Show you how. Gonna show you how. Sesame English. Say it now. Sesame English.
It's Sesame English. Hi, Nikki.
Hey, Tingo.
Tingo!
Oh, hi, Sam. Hi, Tom. Hi, Mike.
I'm hungry.
I am hungry.
I am really hungry.
Do you notice an echo in here? Ha, only kidding. Actually, they're all very hungry.
Tingo, could you please make us some sandwiches?
Oh,
Please, Tingo.
They want me to make them sandwiches. Sure, I can make sandwiches for you.
Thanks, Tingo. You're the best.
You're welcome. The band really loves my sandwiches.
Dum 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 dum. Oh, look at that sandwich. I'm so hungry. Oh, little girl. Oh, little girl. I'm so hungry. So hungry. Oh, for sandwich. Give me sandwich. Can I have sandwich?
Wait a second. This is my egg sandwich. I made it myself.
You made that yourself?
Yes, I did.
You must be proud. Oh, boy. Hey, can you teach me how to make sandwich?
Sure.
Oh, yeah? Oh, boy. I'm ready.
Sure. Okay. Well, listen, all you need is some bread.
Bread. I get bread. Bread. There's bread. Yeah.
Good. All right. Now you need some butter.
Butter. Where's butter? Okay, here, butter. Oh, boy, get all over fur. Oh,
Butter.
not bad.
Good. Good.
Yeah,
That's very
yeah.
good.
Now what?
Okay. Now you need a hard-boiled egg.
One hard-boiled egg. Where's hard-boiled egg? There. Okay, there, hard-boiled egg.
Good.
I put that down there.
Okay.
Now what?
Now you might want some salt.
Salt. I get salt. Salt. There.
Great.
Now what?
Okay. That's it. That's everything you need for an egg sandwich. Just put all these things together, and you'll have an egg sandwich just like mine.
Wait, you mean I put all these things together? I put egg, I put bread, I put butter, and I put salt together, and I get sandwich just like yours?
That's right. Go ahead.
Okay. Oh, butter soft and good. Egg. Bread. Delicious.
Oh, boy.
Need salt.
Well, that's not exactly how you make a sandwich. That's better. Well, I've got all my sandwich ingredients right here. Tomatoes, bread, cheese. Oh, excuse me. Whew. I guess I'm hungry too. I'm very, very, very hungry. Oh, I want a sandwich too. Oh, bread. 1, 2 slices. You need 2 slices of bread to make a sandwich. Let's see. Cheese. Ooh, yeah. Right there. And tomatoes. Tomatoes. Aha. And bread. Dum-ba-ba-dum. A sandwich. And isn't it simply gorgeous? Oh, excuse me. I am hungry. Oh, and this looks so good. Good. Oh, excuse me.
Hey, Tingo!
Oh, no.
Where's my sandwich?
Coming right up.
Thanks. I'm hungry.
Hungry. Hungry. Yes. Hungry. That was a close one. I better make some more sandwiches in a hurry. 2 slices of bread. Okay. And cheese. Cheese. There we go. And tomato. Okay, tomato. Yes. And piece of bread. A sandwich. Woo! And if I say so myself, a true work of art. Whew. Where's my camera? Let's see. Camera. There we go. Okay. Smile. Beautiful. Okay.
Tingo!
Yes?
Where are the sandwiches? We're hungry.
The sandwiches. Yes, the sandwiches. In a minute. Coming right up. Yes.
Thanks.
Yes, okay. Yes, the sandwiches. I can't help myself.
Tingo! My sandwich, please.
Yes, your sandwich. Yes, Tom, coming right up in a minute. Yes. Oh, I still have no sandwiches for the band. I better make some more in a hurry. Ah!
You told me you could count.
Meat, and lettuce. You can't have a meat sandwich without lettuce, can you? Oh, okay. Okay, 2 slices of bread. Here we go. 1, 2. Some meat. Yes, some lettuce. There we go. And the bread. And a sandwich. Oh. No problem. Okay, 2 slices of bread. 1, 2. Okay, the meat. Yes, meat. And some lettuce here. Lettuce. And the bread. A sandwich. Okay. 2 slices of bread. 1, 2. Okay, the meat. Okay, lettuce on there. And we got 2 slices of bread. 1, 2. Okay. Oh, I'm out of lettuce. That's okay. Okay, the meat. 2 slices. 2 slices of bread. 1, 2. Okay, the meat. We're out of lettuce. Doesn't matter. Okay, now I'll make sandwiches for the band. Oops, I need more food. Milk, orange juice, but nothing I can use to make sandwiches.
Man, I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry too.
Wow, I'm really hungry.
Listen to me, are you hungry? Do you want something to eat? I'm hungry, help me please. I want something to eat. Hey there, dude, where's all the food? We're hungry.
Skiddly-bop-bop. Hi, guys.
Oh, Tingo, great! Oh, gosh, I'm so hungry.
Me too. So where are the sandwiches, Tingo?
No sandwiches.
No
sandwiches.
Oh,
Come on.
Tingo,
huh?
what's for lunch?
What's for lunch? Ha! I laugh. Excuse me.
Hello, Tingo?
Oh, hello. Yes, I'm Tingo.
Pizza.
Oh, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. Hey, everybody. Pizza.
Cool.
All right. Well, when you're out of sandwiches, there's always pizza. Oh, thanks, Nicky.
Cheese on it. Thanks, Tingo.
Oh, you're welcome. Have another? Have another?
Where are you going? Who knows? It's a mystery.
Tingo!
Be a part of tomorrow and bring your history. You're living and you're learning every single day, and the world is turning. So turn it your way. Say it. New places.
It's Sesame English. Wow. Oh, hi. It's Thanksgiving, one of the biggest holidays in the U.S. It's a day when families and friends get together to give thanks for all the good things in their lives. And they do it by having a gigantic dinner. Boy, am I getting hungry.
Hi, happy Thanksgiving.
Hi, happy Thanksgiving.
What's that?
It's the turkey.
Carrots.
Potatoes.
Okay, let's eat.
Who wants turkey?
Here, pass this down, please.
Pass that, please.
Bread.
Corn.
Green beans. Sure. Thank you. Now.
Okay.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Nikki is cooking Thanksgiving dinner for the first time ever. Well, she's certainly working hard at it. Nikki, can I help you?
I think everything's fine. No, thanks, Tingo. It's fine.
Huh.
Fine.
Okay. Everything doesn't look fine. Nikki, what's that?
It's corn, silly.
Corn? I don't think corn is supposed to look like that. Ugh. And, Nikki, what's this?
Potatoes?
Ugh. Potatoes. Oh. Oh boy. And what's down there?
Oh.
Ugh, what's that?
Bread.
Bread? Uh-oh. We are in serious trouble here. Ugh. Corn, potatoes, bread. Where's the turkey?
Oh no, the turkey!
Yeah. That's the turkey.
Nikki, we're here.
Oh no, they're here! Oh, help me, Tingle, please! Please!
It's an afternoon at the pool. Children are laughing, splashing, playing games. But wait. What's that? It's the letter N.
N. N.
Cookie. 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 Cookie.
It's going to be fine. Oh.
Help me, Tingo!
Don't worry, Nikki. Just tell them to wait.
Thank you, Tingo.
Sure.
Hi, Dad! Happy Thanksgiving, right? Hi, Katie, Annie, Kevin, this way. Why don't you just, wait outside? Yeah, it's a beautiful evening, beautiful. Happy Thanksgiving! Okay. Okay. What can I do? Can I help you?
Can she help me? Yeah, by staying out of the kitchen. I laugh. Only kidding. Okay, first thing, let's see. Clean up all this mess here. Okay. Let's see. You tell that mess who's boss. Yes. Okay. Hello. Woohoo! Oh, man. Ugh. Okay. Put that in the sink. Okay. Clean up the counter. Good. Oh, yeah, wash your hands. You want to keep your hands clean, okay? Okay, now 3 potatoes. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
1,
Yes.
2, 3.
3. Have to scrape them.
Okay.
Good. Scrape. Scrape them. Yeah.
Rinse them.
Oh, rinse. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, chop, 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 chop. Okay. Okay, put that in the stove. Turn on the stove. Yeah, that helps.
Okay.
Look at this.
This one. Good.
Okay, Nikki. Yes.
Nikki,
Oh,
can I help you?
Oh, no, thank you, Dad.
Nikki, faster, Nikki, faster, faster.
Faster.
Okay, first things first. Carrots. Okay, that's good.
What's
That's
next?
good. Parsley.
Parsley.
Nikki, can I help you?
Oh, no thanks, Annie. The pepper, right? Pepper.
B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, P, Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Now I know my ABC. Almost ready. Ready?
Yes. Okay. Turkey.
Okay. Turkey.
Okay. Potatoes. Potatoes. Okay.
Potatoes.
Ooh, wait, hold on. Okay, good. Okay. Corn.
Corn.
Okay, good.
Oh, thanks, Tingo.
You're welcome.
Come on in. It's ready.
Great, I'm hungry.
Me too.
It smells good.
Oh, Nikki, it looks beautiful.
Very nice, Nikki.
Thank you. Okay, Dad, Katie, Annie, Kevin, Tingo,
Hello.
me. Okay. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Thank you, Tingo.
Aw, you're welcome. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, can I have the corn?
Corn. Okay,
Yes.
Okay.
And, Kevin, can I have some stuffing?
Yep.
And,